you're lonely. Someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, hello. Welcome to this channel. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today it's not so much that I want to do. I'm getting ready to head out. It's pretty late. I'm just here trying to hurry up because I'm super late. I want to rush to Kamukunji. There's a shop that I wanted to get my daughter's shoes from yesterday, but they had closed. And also I forgot to share these items that I got Jana. Yeah, it's here. So I got some earrings, pretty nice earrings. I don't have such earrings. Well, the ones I have ain't this big, so I have already worn this one, but let me see how this one is going to look, because it's quite wide, unlike what I'm used to. So these ones, you'll find them now depending on kwenye unaingilia Dubois, iyo junction ya hapo Accra Road, well, James Mathenge Road, I think that's how it's called nowadays. There's a shop there. Haijakaa sana, imefunguliwa juzi tu. The lane hapo kwenye kunauzwa keki, the shop just next to it. And I'm getting a call. Well, I do not have their contacts, but I pass by there almost on a daily basis. But these are so cute, and they were going for 300 bob. Look at that. I think they are very nice. Yeah, and this is what I'm going to wear. Well, I have two piercings. I'll wear two. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And then I got these sunglasses. Oh, these are nice. These are cute. But it has been raining like throughout the morning. I'm getting a call from the shop. Let me answer that. Ouch. So these sunnies look like that. I think they're pretty nice. And the other ones were destroyed by my kids. And the shoes that I'll wear are these ones for the first time. And then I'm getting a reminder that I haven't taken my meds, so let me do that as well. This is me. I'm done, and I just need a scarf, and we are out of the house. Oh, and an umbrella. Let me get an umbrella as well, and then we head out, and I'm going to catch you later. Whew, hey y'all, so I'm back home and I'm pretty tired. I had told you I would go to Kamukunji to get a few things, so I've gone. But it's just shoes that I got from the same place in Star Mall. I'm gonna leave the number in case you're interested. I've gotten my kid, the younger one, this shoe. I'm gonna show you the other one she's wearing, but this one is a size 31, so I got a 31 and a 32, obviously because she adores these shoes. The pink one, and nilikuwa nimemnunulia, I think it was last year but one. It doesn't fit her.
32.
32. 32.
32.
31.
31.
Yeah. Okay. Go sit there. Ngoja kidogo. So they didn't fit her. These ones they do fit her, in fact, but I feel like in 4 months or 5 months time this won't fit anymore. But the other ones have some allowance, so I'm gonna go return this and get her that size of the same color, because they still have this. And these shoes, as I said, she's had them for about a year plus. They still look very good, so the quality is okay, and it's 350. Like, what? 350 for this. So I didn't just buy her, I got Kyla as well. I'll show you. They are wearing them right now. I will show you when I'm done with this. And then I passed by OTC again and got this. If you've watched the previous video, I did show these things that I got. So I've gone back and added the thing to plug in qua socket. I got 2 just in case one breaks, because these things break as often. And then I added these 2 as well, just to have stock. I just didn't want to ask for one, and it's 70 bucks, it's wholesale, so I just said give me 2 and add me 2, because we will still use this. We're still going to use them. And then tomorrow my kid has a sports day, kinda day at their school, so I'll not be in town, I'll be at their school. They were asked to bring snacks, so I went to Naivas and got a few things. Let me just share. I've passed through Naivas and I've gotten this one. This was going for 350 something, I don't remember. And then we have this, also don't remember, but they usually are about 130 something. These ones I had bought previously. These are things that she's supposed to carry apart from these 3. Well, these 4. So I've gotten her that, I've gotten her this. Now, because usually I don't like problems with children, I got 2 so that she can carry one, and one they can have it right now. And then I got these 2 mini queen cakes, just because they do share in school. So we have that. And then I've never gotten this cheddar cheese, but this is what they had, but they are slices to make the burgers in the morning. This is the reason why I got this, to make them burgers tomorrow morning before they head out to school. As I said, tomorrow I'll have time, because I'll not go to town. I'll just prepare the breakfast, then get ready. The school is gonna start. The school's program starts at 8 or 9, so that's when I should be there. And yeah, that's about it for this little shopping haul of mine today. Not so much, but this will work too. Let me show you the shoes. We got this green pair and it looks really nice. Mama, walk. So those are the shoes. They look pretty nice, as you can see. They fit perfectly and they have allowance huko nyuma, so they really are cute. So she can wear this tomorrow going to school as well. So this is the other pair. That's how that pair looks like. It's really cute and I love it. Now it had a blue pair, but I didn't like the blue one. I love this green. As you all know, I love color green, and this it's a bit big, but I prefer bigger sizes than smaller sizes. Juu itamfinya na kivana socks anyway, it'll fit. So this pair was 650 from the same shop as the one I got, those ones for Lila, which were 350 as I said. So this is also a very nice buy and she likes it. Well, hatakuwa nafunga hivi, but this is what we have now. And yeah, love them. So for the wines, there they are. I want to unbox that with y'all, but I also want to share with you the pampas grass and this vase. The pampas grass look like that, but I haven't fluffed them out, which I'll do. Not now, because I'm tired. So this is, I need to add 2 more to this to make them 6, but there are more that I'll be adding to make them 10 altogether. If you stick around, you're going to see all that. But this area is getting, wow, it's becoming so nice. Anywho's, let's unbox the wines and then store them in the cabinet, because that's the main reason why I got them. As you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. It's a 25 piece credenza or wine holder, and yeah, I only got a few, rather we only got a few from Dubois. As I said, I'm gonna share the link. He usually, oh no, oh. Shoot. Oops, sorry about the mess. So we have this, which I got at I usually just take one, and this makes me sleep like a child. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, this one was 230, which I think is still, because we buy them at 300 or 350. But anyways, we have this one. Oh gosh, if this one falls down, I'm gonna cry. But we have this rose. It's a wine. I was told it's really good. It's Nederberg. It's a 2021 wine. If you know your wines, you know that the mature it is, the better as well. But this is a 2021 wine, which I think is also still, I think this one, not I think, this one was going for 15 or 15.50 from that place, and that's wholesale price. So you just put it like that, but I'm gonna wait them badai. And then we have this one, we have this one. This one is Frontera. It was also, I think, going for about 1500, 15 something. So we have this. Yes, I can see we have this one here. This one was a gift from a friend. Look at that. Wow. And this is so heavy. This is so heavy. I think it's from where was it from? Was it from France or Germany? A friend, or was it? I think my husband brought it home, not a friend. There's one that we were given by a friend, and I honestly, this one he brought from South Africa. We just had it there, then that's it. So we want to fill this place up eventually. Then we have the normal wines, but this one I was told it's really good, but the price for this was, I think, 680. Now I'm talking about wholesale prices, not retail prices. This is how this one looks like. So that one, we store it there. And then finally we have this one, which is the normal for cousin, natural sweet. I think this is, I didn't take any red wines, but I am gonna do that eventually to fill this up. So now I have brought in 4 more. With time I'm gonna be buying kidogo kidogo and then storing them. I'm not even going to drink them, but well, if something comes up, I don't mind. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take my cassavana, but also let me eat and then shower and then go to bed. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, good night.